10 shots in my brain. I've been tripping, but some things can't change. Switch on the same time, I'm tape, but you just sent back, get a phone call. Heard that you fuck with a killer, so I was in summer with nobody, yo. And ever since then, when I hate myself, when the fuck it ended, pessimistic. All wanna see me with no pot to piss in, but niggas been inside about the grave, I'm digging. Have a conversation about my hate decisions, fucking sickening. At the same time, memories surface through the grapevine, but my uncle playing with a slip knot. Plus, I'm at the stress, got me fucked up, been fucked up since a couple months they had me nigga locked up. I'll be